Hello friends, welcome you all to the code world. So in this tutorial we are going to see how to print a queue pattern. So you can see on my screen queue pattern is this. So to print this type of pattern, queue pattern, first of all we will take two loops, for first loop for a row and second loop for a columns. Okay, so in this total row, let's count. So this is one, this is one, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9 row. Okay, perfect. Let's start. So first of all, for loop for row in range of till 10. Let's take a 10. Okay, then second loop for a column, for call in range of let's take it 10 only. So from here our condition start. So if and conditions, if I equals to 0, sorry, if not I, if row equals to 0, row means this one, if row equals to 0 and our column should be less than 7. Okay, why we this will what print, it will print this line. Okay, this much. Okay, so we have taken why column less than 7, because if we take column equals to 10, then it will print star till here. Okay, so to reduce this much space we have taken till 7 only. So first row and first column, first row till 7th column. Okay, and next, or if I equals to 6 and sorry, not I, if our row equals to 6 and if column equals to sorry, if column is less than 7. Okay, and what this one will print, this will print this one, the last, last line of queue. Okay, so if row is 6, this is our 6th row and column should be less than 7. Okay, so and after that, for another sentence, or our column is equals to 0 and row should be less than 7. What this will be print, this condition will print this one, column is 0, so our column is this one, this, right? You can see my cursor is moving. So this is column 0 and row till 7, this is till 7th row. Okay, if you count, then it will take as 7th row. Okay, then next condition. So if our column equals to 6, sorry, 6, if our column is 6 and row should be less than 7, and here, and row should be less than 7, this condition what will print, it will print this one line. So this you can see here, this one. Okay, so 6th column and till 7th row, start from 0 till 7, it will print. Okay, if this condition is also true, or if column equals to 7 and row equals to 7, what this will be print, this will print this asterisk or this star, you can say. Okay, if column is 7 and row is also 7, then print star. Okay, and we want one star, so here, or if column equals to 9 and row equals to 8, column equals to 9, and row equals to 8, then print star. Okay, if this condition is true, then print asterisk or star in a single line, else print, else you can print space and in the same line. Okay, after that just leave from this one. Okay, I think we have done all the coding part for the queue pattern, so let's start running it. Let's try. So if I up the terminal, okay, we are getting fully queue pattern, you can see it. So just a second, let me down. So you can see we are getting our queue pattern, like how we are trying to print. Okay, so if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching. And if you have not seen my previous alphabets videos, you can go and see on my channel if you want to separate video, and I have also created the playlist for each and every alphabets. Okay, so thank you for watching.